for today's misguided makeup video. As I'm sure you could tell by the title, I wanted to try something a little bit different today. I thought that it would be fun to try these magnetic lashes. I've never tried them before. Obviously, this video is called Trying Magnetic Lashes. Not gonna lie, this video is very impromptu, so that's why we're in my bathroom. This is my shower, bath to towel. Now that you've seen my bathroom, so yeah, I'm the literal worst at doing falsies. I've been trying to get into them more. I've literally watched about 2,000 videos talking about how to put them on, but I just can't seem to process it. I saw these. I know that these have been out for quite a while, but I thought, why not try them? I got the Ardell Double Demi Wispies, and these seem to actually be the most natural ones that the place where I bought them had. Let me tell you, these were so expensive. This was $13. I may not be a lash queen, but I have bought lashes before. I know that a good pair of lashes, 2 pairs of good lashes, will cost you like $5, $6. Why does this cost $13? It probably has to do with the magnets. As I'm sure you can tell, I don't have any makeup on. My hair is just kind of meh. Like I said, this was a really impromptu video. It actually has directions on the back. Thank you. And in the box. Wait, that's in a different language. Let's do this, I guess. Really hoping that this goes well. Oh yeah, another thing I feel that I should mention, my face is swollen over here, so if it looks not like my face, it's because it's not like my face. I have a wisdom tooth that hurts literally so bad that's growing in, making this area swell up. I don't look like me, but I look like me, but I don't look like I normally, you know what I'm saying? Once you take them out of the package, you take this little thingy off, this is what you're left with. An upper and an under. Thank you for clarifying that for me. No, seriously, because lashes typically come like that's an eye set and that's an eye set. This video is probably going to be real short because it's going to be me failing instantaneously. You never know if you don't try. Am I right or am I right? Gently remove upper magnetic lash from tray and lay on top of your natural lash line. Gently remove under magnetic lash from tray and place beneath your natural lash line to connect the two together. Use your index finger and thumb carefully to slide top and bottom magnets away from each other one by one. Do not pull lashes straight off or all of my eyelashes gonna come off. Do I need to cut these? Let's measure real quick because that could be a problemo in itself if they're not my size. Oh yeah, they actually look like they'll probably be my size. Let's see if it'll fit this side. That actually should work, I guess. Okay, I think we've got them placed on there. Now the beneath is what really scares me. Make it sound so easy on the package. It just fell. Pretty sure this is actually not how this is supposed to look. Take 2. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. No. Let's try attempt 3. Why do I suck so bad at this? Am I putting the right magnets on the right one? Okay, let's try it again. We've got that down. This is where the tricky part comes into play. What is going on? Let's try it again, I guess. We're gonna try like 2 more times, and then after that, I'm just gonna accept the fact that I suck. What is this, like take 4 at this point? Let's make sure that this is the top and the bottom lash. Okay, so I'm putting this one on the top of my eye. What are you doing? You guys who are good at this are probably watching this and are like, no, stop what you're doing. Okay, you see that? Decent. Wait. Did I just get this to semi-work? Just by chance? Let me arrange them. They're a little too far over this way. Yes, we got them on. I got them on. Look at me slaying it. Let's see if I can do the other eye. Oh my gosh, that literally just happened by chance on that eye. So maybe we'll get lucky on this side too. I'm not used to wearing falsies, so that just looks like a lot to me. Okay, wow, this one actually fits a lot better on this side. I think it's because I'm bending that already. No! Let's see if it fixes itself this time. Nope, nope, okay. You see it's on there pretty good. Nope. Get up there. Dang it, I got all but the inner corner. Well, really, I just got the middle, if I'm being honest. Decent enough. I lost the other part to this one, and I don't know where it is, so I'll be right back. Let's do it again. You know what I might try doing? Let's try to keep the bottom in place and then try to put the top on. I'm sorry, you literally can't see what I'm doing. Well, that was more successful than literally every other attempt. Ladies and gents, we've got them on. I got this one on by, like, I just held the bottom down and then just pressed the top one on top. Okay, so this one that I did the bottom first actually looks a lot better. Holy crap, but it feels a lot heavier than this one. Up close, you can see that the one, oh no, that just fell off. Just the one that I did the bottom first looks a lot better than the one that I didn't. It looks like it's barely on my lashes because it is. I look crazy, but this has been fun. Thank you guys so much for watching this makeup video. I know that this isn't your typical type of beauty video. I think some of us forget that it's okay to just make a fun video, a fun beauty video where you laugh at yourself. You have to laugh at yourself sometimes. That's what this video was. Have you seen these lashes? Look at the, literally this one just came off. Like I just blinked it off. This one's doing the same thing. You know, beauty videos and makeup don't have to be all serious all the time. They can be fun. I might be good at eyeshadow and I might be good at foundations, different things in my makeup. It doesn't mean I'm good at everything. I'm not one of those beauty YouTubers who is gonna come on here and ever act like I'm the best at anything. I'm just here to have fun and to do makeup looks I would wear and to try makeup things that I want to try. I'm not gonna try something ever that I don't want to try just for my YouTube video. Everything that I buy, eyeshadow palette wise, concealer wise, is because I want to buy it. I just want to remind people that by doing a silly video like this every once in a while, it's okay to just be a normal person, and makeup doesn't have to be all serious. We don't all have to be the best at everything. To go to school or to work, like, you don't have to contour your face and all of that stuff. Like, you can just wear what you want. So thank you guys so much for watching this misguided makeup video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below and like it. I hope that you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever time it is for you guys. And yeah, bye guys.